And then we move on to the lesson of the yellow belt, which is about bouncing back. So for those of you that are in a hard time right now, this is about the present. How do we move through challenges? This is my greatest study in life. I love to bring on people. I'm going to be bringing on lots of people onto the podcast with stories of overcoming major challenges. I want to know, how do people do it? I don't want to just see the successes on the other side. I really want to understand what's going through their mind. What are they doing in their daily lives to really, right, bounce back from these challenges? So there are a few different lessons that I talk about in the Art of Badassery book, different techniques that you can do in life, like pivoting. We all done this, right? Like rolling with the punches, but sometimes even making an ultimate comeback when life kind of knocks you out for the count. You need to recreate yourself, perhaps. So, what's what one little thing you can do today if you do find yourself in a pretty difficult situation? Again, whether it be your health, your wealth, your career, your relationships, your family, reach out to someone for support. That is the quickest way that you can roll with the punches and hopefully get the support you need to move through it. We were not meant to do life alone. And I don't want anyone out there to ever feel like they have to, toughen up and keep it all in and suffer through these challenges alone. Reach out to someone for support. And usually the person that you choose should be someone that has gone through something similar before. That's the best piece of advice I could give to someone going through that, because I've done it myself. I've done it with my hip surgery. I made sure to find a private Facebook group for young people with total hip replacements, right? I found a group that's specific when I was going through getting the diagnosis of my arthritic hip and being told that I was going to need a hip replacement. Gosh, I was devastated, scared, you name it. But I found this private group online of people that had gone through the same exact challenges. So I was able to get great advice and great support, really, for when it was my time to have my hip replacement last year. So reach out to someone if you need support right now.